Hello, lovely people. What time is it? It's Temu time. Temu entered our DM and your girl has answered. And they kindly sent me these items to try on, which I haven't opened them yet. We're going to unbox them right here together to see if they actually worth it. But before that, the best part of this video is that you can get 90 euros coupon on Temu by applying the discount code on your screen. All you need to do is to download and register on Temu app. Go to the search bar and type in these codes, or simply click the link in the description box. That's it. Super easy. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Let's start to unbox what we have. What do we have here? I'm so excited because this is the first time I'm showing something from Temu on my channel. And that means that you also have the chance to see what we have for the first time. So our first outfit is this one. Now let's see what is inside. It's a front button symmetrical A-line dress. It looks very soft. I like the color. It's really wide, voluminous dress for summer. It's very beautiful. It's soft. I like it. And also I chose a size extra large, even though I'm a size 10, but on Temu, the correspondent size for my measurement fell on extra large and it fits really well. Even though it's not fully lined, but it's not see-through. And for me, I give this 8 out of 10. I wasn't expecting this quality. It doesn't wrinkle, which is very good. I love it. It's a black wide leg pants. I remember. Yeah. Wow. Chic workwear or work trousers. It's a wide leg. It has elasticated back and it looks super glossy. This is how it looks on the website, and as you can see, it really corresponds to the actual pants. It's very glossy, soft, and it doesn't wrinkle. Very stylish. Let's see the size I got, and this one I selected large. I really love this one. My next outfit is, I think this is a white top. White, yeah. Okay, so this is white short sleeve button down. It's actually pretty. It has this baby, little baby pockets. Very functional. It's elasticated. Oh, it's so playful. I love it. I went in for a size medium for this one. So this one is actually my actual size and it fits really perfectly. Honestly, give it 10 out of 10. It's perfect. It's just perfect. She is gorgeous. I decided to pick this barrel that is really trending, and I went in for a size extra large again. I could have gone for a size medium or large because it's super stretchy. It's a little bit bigger, but with belt, I'm good to go. And sneakers, I am summer ready. Before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if today is your first time of watching my video, or if you have been watching but not subscribed. And don't forget that we have 90 euros discount code in the description box. Let's continue. Next item is this fashionable Ankara women's bow tie. It comes in different colors, and I think you can use this to elevate any outfit of your choice. I personally like this and I do recommend. It's really good and it's really well made. Sewn well, stitches on point. This is how it's gonna look. Yeah, it looks so perfect. There's a button here. That's a button fastening that you can close it. And even at that, it looks so good. Oh my God, should I continue to wear this throughout the video, or what do you think? You need this in your wardrobe. Look at that. It just elevates the outfit. Now, as you can see, I'm just feeling myself. I'm looking super cool. Woo! I like it. Our next outfit is denim jackets. Okay, people, this women's khaki non-stretch versatile vintage denim jacket, and it's giving. Look at that. It comes with this beautiful skirt, making it so cute, and I'm wearing a size medium. The quality is amazing. It doesn't smell. I chose a size medium, which is my actual size, and it fits perfectly. 10 out of 10. I like it a lot. Our next outfit is the kimono symmetrical top with a zipper back and with black trimmings. It looks very fluid and flowy and soft on the model, but in reality, it's not that fluid. It's a little bit stiff, to be honest. It's not one of my favorites. It doesn't flow as it looks on the model, but with good styling, you can look good in it. So I went ahead to pair with pants, so you can also do with tulle, which really came out actually perfect. But on the whole, it's not one of my favorites. The fabric doesn't look, it looks flimsy. It's not the same as I envisage on the model. That's all. That's my personal review. It's not the same like it looks on the model. That's it. Last on the list is this beautiful shoe that I picked. It's a block, very comfortable to walk in, and it fits so well. The sizing chart worked true to size. Kudos. Let me come closer for you to check the bottom. Very good quality. Look at that. Well made, no glue sticking out. It looks so polished and it looks so expensive. I can recommend this one too if it's your personal style. Very good. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and thank you, Temu, for this collaboration. And I must say, I'm so impressed about the quality of the items. This is my first time trying Temu clothing, and I think it came out really well. Thank you again, Temu, for this collaboration. And people, don't forget to use the discount code before you shop, and don't also forget to let me know which one you like best. Until I see you again in my next video, is bye. Love you.